Hey, welcome to my channel. This is something very new for me, doing this YouTube channel and trying to record a lot of different things to show you guys. So I just wanted to formally introduce what I'm doing and who I am if anyone doesn't know. So here we go. I'm Cassidy, or Cassie, or Queen Kerosene. I am a cosplayer, content creator, I amateur crafter. Over the last few over the last few months, maybe about a year, I've been recording a lot of my cosplay projects, a lot of my home projects, just how I do things in case anyone needs help figuring it out or my method of doing things helps anybody. I do tend to have a chaotic method of doing all sorts of things, because for me, I like to do things in not just for myself kind of thing, like just for the sake of like I want to recreate it with my hands. I also have to make it cost efficient for me, and that can mean having to cut corners on a material or time something dries and I find other substances, products instead to use to, cut those corners, things like that, and still get the product that I want and can use. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a cereal box to make a prop for some cosplays that I might not be as passionate about compared to getting expensive Warbler or EVA foam to make another type of prop to wear to a con for long-term use. So I'm gonna show you guys how I balance that out. I also am going to show the cosplay progress, and I'm going to try my best to make it beginner friendly and I guess in an intermediate friendly. So like for instance with my Cricut projects, Cricut machine is one of my favorite tools, makes life so much easier, but it took me a while to save up and be able to buy it. So I'm gonna make sure I can show you guys a method of like making something with a Cricut, making something without a Cricut. I'm gonna do my best. We're gonna see how that goes. As of now, I just ask for any patience because I'm pretty new to this. I am learning everything about video editing and sound control and all my different equipment. I don't have anything fancy, bougie. I'm doing this with my phone and my ring light and in my room with my cats and my dog. So this year I'll be going to at least 5 cons, I want to say, and a few of them are out of state, which is very exciting. I have yet to go out of state for a con. So I'm gonna be recording those adventures, posting them there, showing off some amazing cosplayers. I just have so much to edit because I already started recording some things. So as of now, I've realized from what I've posted, it's not my best because I've learned a lot since editing them and then they're finally getting posted. So as I start uploading more and on a more continuous basis, just bear with me, be patient. I swear my quality will get better and the editing will get better. We're gonna just learn this all together. So with that also being said, please subscribe, like, leave comments, engage with the channel so I know at least I'm going in the right direction with the content and actually giving any relevant information or experience footage that is actually relevant or helpful to anybody. I won't know unless anyone says anything or gives me a like, and it also helps the channel get boosted and the channel get found by others that it could help. So I am so appreciative and grateful for all the support and just love, and you guys have made sharing my cosplays and just this hobby of mine so much more fun and fulfilling, and I thank you so much. I want to do even more with this and contribute even more to the community, so I'm really hoping to do that with my little cosplay tutorials and layouts and all that stuff, because thanks to other cosplayers countless cosplayers, whether they've shared their own templates, layouts, or commented, engaged with me. They have contributed to this experience, and I am so grateful, and I want to share it back. So thank you for being here, for watching, for subscribing, for liking. Thanks for being you, and I'll see you in the next video.